Hi, my name is Teresa and I'm from the Keller Park branch, and today I'm going to be talking to you about rainbows. Recently, when walking into work, I spotted a beautiful rainbow. Seeing that rainbow in the sky made me smile. Every time I see a rainbow, I hurry and pull out my phone and take a picture, but the pictures are never quite as beautiful as the rainbows are in person. Now, I've always loved rainbows, but I don't know much about how they're made, so I decided to do some research. Like me, humans have been fascinated by rainbows since the earliest of times. People explain their understanding of rainbows by telling stories about them. For example, the Vikings believed that a rainbow bridge connected Asgard, the Sky Kingdom, with Midgard, the Earth Kingdom. One of the most famous stories about a rainbow comes from Ireland, where they say a tricky leprechaun hides a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. The rainbow continues to be an important symbol in many cultures and religions today. Here you can see a rainbow on the flag of the Navajo Nation. Rainbows appear when sunlight shines through water droplets suspended in the air. Although we most commonly see rainbows after a rainstorm, they can actually appear anywhere that water droplets are in the air, from this magnificent waterfall to a simple spray from a garden hose. As the light passes into the droplet, the light bends or refracts. Then the light bounces off the back of the water droplet and goes back the way it came, bending it again as it speeds up when it exits the water droplet. Now you know a little bit about rainbows. How about you make some of your very own? You don't even need rain to do it. To do this experiment, you'll need a prism like this. If you look closely at the prism, you'll notice it resembles something made in nature. Can you guess what that is? You're right. It looks like a raindrop. See all the tiny rainbows on the ceiling? See all the tiny rainbows on the dog? And on the wall? Here's a closer look. In this picture, you can see the distinct colors of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. You can use the mnemonic device or memory trick, Roy G. Biv, to help you remember the order of the colors of the rainbow. In the 1660s, English physicist and mathematician Isaac Newton began a series of experiments with sunlight and prisms. His experiments helped show that white light is actually made out of these 7 different colors. More recently, scientists have discovered that there are actually 12 different classifications of rainbows. This red rainbow most often appears at sunrise or sunset. So, what if you don't have a prism? No problem, you can still make a rainbow at home using a few simple items you probably already have on hand. All you need is a dish or bowl filled with water and a small handheld mirror. Just take your dish of water and submerge your mirror so that half of it is under the water and half of it is out of the water. Then just find a sunny spot to place your bowl of water so that the light can reflect off the mirror. I had the best luck with this experiment in the morning when the sun was low in the sky. But what if it's not sunny out? Don't worry, you can still make a rainbow using a CD and a flashlight. Now, to do this experiment, you'll need to take your CD shiny side out, turn on your flashlight, and point it at your CD. You'll need to tilt your CD back and forth till you get the angle just right, moving the flashlight closer and further away until you see an image of a rainbow appear on your wall or ceiling. See the rainbow on the disc and on the ceiling? It kind of reminds me of the Northern Lights. Thanks for learning about rainbows with me. Be sure to visit your local library and check out some more books on rainbows so you can keep on learning.